CPC's mission of great rejuvenation of Chinese nation and PTI's vision of Naya Pakistan reflect the respective aspirations of the people of our two countries. I formed the Pakistan Tehreek-e-Insaf 25 years ago on the principles of accountability, transparency, meritocracy, Islamic welfare, and this to break the vicious cycle of elite capture, corruption and nepotism. Pakistan Tehreek-e-Insaf remains committed to its original mission of establishing rule of law and setting up a society that is humane and that has compassion. Today, the ISAS program launched by PTI government last year is one of the leading social protection program in Asia. In its second phase, we envisage to provide social protection to 8 million of our poorest citizens. We have made universal health coverage a priority in our health sector reforms. Under the ISAS Sahulat program, we aim to provide free of cost health insurance, initially to the families living below the poverty line and subsequently to all families that are in the provinces governed by the PTI. Our 10 billion tree tsunami project reflects our commitment to countering environmental degradation and reversing the biodiversity loss. We are ready to contribute more than our share to protect this invaluable planet and help it heal it from centuries of neglect. In the wake of emerging global and regional environment, Pakistan has recalibrated its priorities from geopolitics to geoeconomics. China-Pakistan Economic Corridor, the CPEC, the flagship project of BRI, complements Pakistan's renewed effort of this geoeconomic shift with emphasis on economic integration and regional connectivity. Moreover, in line with my government's green vision, which aligns perfectly with President Xi's vision for Green China, turning CPEC into Green CPEC is a priority for Pakistan. Our abiding friendship with China and the CPEC complement this vision of peace for ourselves and for others, and shared prosperity and common development for our region and the world. Pakistan and China are iron brothers. We support each other on issues of our respective core interests. In an era of complex and profound changes at global and regional level, our all-weather strategic cooperative partnership remains a strong anchor for peace, progress, and prosperity. This year also marks the 70th anniversary of establishment of diplomatic relation between Pakistan and China. Our two nations are celebrating this historic milestone in a befitting manner. I'm confident that the year 2021 would provide new vigor and vitality to our time-tested friendship. Excellencies, we must join hands to advance the noble cause of peace and development, welfare of our people, and building community of shared future for all mankind.